Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop YouTube videos on mobile for both Android and iOS. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Unlike the web, repeating songs on YouTube mobile apps isn't a straightforward task. Fortunately, there is a way by which you can repeat songs on YouTube. One is using the help of the playlist feature of YouTube. The steps for this method are the same on Android and iPhone or iPad. Open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Find the music video that you want to repeat. When the video opens, touch and hold the save button present below the video. That will open your existing playlists. Tap on New Playlist. Give the playlist a relatable name, for example, Loop, and tap on Create. Your video will be automatically added to the new playlist. Now go back to the YouTube app's home screen. Tap on the Library tab at the bottom. Tap on the playlist that you created in. From the list of playlists, tap on the play icon to start the playlist containing your video. Tap on the repeat icon to repeat the playlist. Since the playlist contains only one song, it will be repeated again and again. So that is how you can loop YouTube videos on mobile. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.